All right, pages. Pages are just basic pages for the kids to look at for information. This is where you would have your main instruction or your supplemental instruction, something that kind of gives them a breakdown of what's going on without actually requiring anything from them. So I would have an assignment underneath a page. The page would tell them all about the thing. The assignment would be the thing that I grade, right? So if I click on pages, it's just a basic breakdown of a page. So under pages, you'll see the same breakdown that you would see under assignments, who it's allowed to be seen by, and what date you want to publish it. Again, notice there's no due date on a page. The page is just there to put information in this. So you can add links, you can add images, this can basically be your slideshow, right, of what you're doing. When you hit save on this, the kids will see it. It'll show up as page 1. You'll need to publish it for the kids to actually see it. But it's just going to give you the breakdown of what that page is. Now I'm going to go into how to style this a little bit in just a few, but just so that you know that it's there, that's what it looks like.